This is my rig right here. How about that?
Where are we at, Colton?
So we are at Rev Nation, little car show at Wheaton Stadium in Aberdeen. My first time being here, but I guess they're doing like a little car Olympics thing with a two-step competition, and they got a dyno right over there. So we'll see what it's all about.
Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell the souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
Superlife, she gon' live it twice. Nothing that she wouldn't do to try to feel alive. Superlife, don't care if it's right. She just wanna get a little taste of what it's like. Superlife, she gon' live that.
Big turbo with a supercharger on it, so dual sport mode. All-wheel drive conversion from a Civic Type R. Got the Viper from the SRT10. It's Cadillac. So it's got the leather seats. It's got a sunroof for puffing my head out when I'm drunk riding. It's got mud flaps for rock guards. Oh, the fan. It's hot as hell out here.
It's hot as hell. It's just a 2008 Dodge Caliber. I got JNC wheels, I got a catalyst downpipe, muffler delete, and a Diablo Sports tune. That's about it. Blow-off valve, money-wise. It's got 60,000 miles on it. Had it for 3 years.
Nothing.
I'm hoping at the crank 330 and to the wheels like 280, but it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Maybe 260. Hoping.
Have you had it?
Hopefully more than that Honda, that blue Honda. Or else that bitch is going down in the gutter.
Yeah, he said he'd give it to me. That'd be good. The Honda big So,
Have you had a dyno before?
I unhooked his
Never done it.
boost pipe. I poked a hole in his intercooler, so I'm definitely getting the car now.
It sounded good. I've never heard it from outside the car before. I was told it was over 300, so that's what I expected. So, I'm fucking happy as hell.
Somebody to fuck, saying she crazy. They call it a suicide, but I call it loss. She call it Superlife.
Yeah. Shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it Superlife. Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell the souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
It's like she's so high, you can see it in both her eyes. She ain't even got emotions left, she ain't even got a pulse, don't try. You don't even wanna ask that girl, better make 2 feet for a 5. Everybody knows she's super lit, like supernovas in the sky. I think it's funny how a superficial girl keep trying to live a super fucking life. She ain't even got a super fucking clue how to ever make it to the end.
That Mustang's on a dyno right now. It's hot. That's all I have to say. It's hot. So, I mean, it was a pretty cool show. There weren't any real huge showstoppers. There were a couple cars that were pretty cool. I really like that Genesis a lot that we saw. The Civic was really clean. Other than that, what do you think? 60 cars? 80 cars?
Give or take 80.
Yeah, something like that. It's cool though, but it's hot. So we're getting the heck out of here because it's hot. I don't know if I told you, but it's hot.
Yeah. Shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it Superlife.
Superlife.
Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night.